Hey fam, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be talking about 10 moisturizing, brightening, skin brightening body soaps I think you should try. They are super affordable and they are available, and it can be used by any skin type, fair, dark, caramel, whatever. And most of them, a lot of them can be used by the whole family. Some families, daddy, mommy, kids use one soap, and that particular soap is good. Now if you're looking for that product that your whole family can use every day, morning and night, without any skin damages, you click the right video. So the first on my list is actually my favorite, which I'm currently using, or I have been using since this year. Okay, this is October. I've been using it since this year, and that is the Cousin's baby soap. Now this soap, in as much as it is a baby soap, it is super moisturizing to your skin, and as an adult it is going to help to moisturize your skin. It's not going to dry out your skin. It's going to give you all the things that your skin needs. Okay, so if you're looking for a gentle soap, a mild soap, you have a sensitive skin, or you are using a lightening soap, you have a very wonderful shower gel, or you have another bar soap that you use for your serious skin conditions, but you're looking for another soap that you can be using some days when you don't want to use some actives in your skin, Cousin's baby soap is the best bet, and it's super affordable. It just sells for 300 naira, or you can just easily get the pack like this. It sells for a pack of 4. Okay, it's more affordable like that to buy it in a pack than buying it one piece. So the next on my list is Siri beauty soap. Okay, now this might look like a normal toilet soap, okay, the way it's called, but this particular soap is super nice. I've used a couple of the colors, and my favorite is actually the white one and the purple one. Like, their fragrances are so good. In fact, the whole set of Siri, the gold, the white, the purple, the red, and I think it has another color that I'm not remembering now. I'm going to put in the picture. They all smell very good. Like, their branding, their marketing strategy is their fragrance. So if you need that soap you are going to bathe with, and your whole bathroom is going to be filled with pleasant fragrance, then you should go for Siri. Okay, it's actually very nice. It helps to cleanse the skin. Like, my personal experience with Siri is it cleanses your skin without drying out your skin. You are going to feel that your skin is super clean, but it is not going to be drying to your skin. But if you have dry skin, if you are someone that you have super dry skin, then I would suggest you go with Cousin's soap or any of the other ones I'm going to be mentioning in this video. Okay, if you have super dry skin, then don't use Siri. Okay, because in as much as it doesn't dry your skin, it's not also super moisturizing to the skin. So the third on my list is the Rich and Pure ginseng soap. Okay, so this is a very nice soap that will help to brighten up your skin. Now this one goes ahead of this other two that I have mentioned to work for skin brightening. Now what do I mean by skin brightening? Not skin lightening. Let's say over the days you went out in the sun and you got a sun tan. Okay, sun tanning is you wear a top like this, and then you step out in the sun, and then when you come back you have this demarcation on your hand. This place is dark and this is your normal skin color. Okay, so this Rich and Pure can help you to get back to your skin color. So if you're having sun tanning on your skin like a top, you are still having 2 demarcations, it can help to brighten out those places that the sun has hit and tanned or has made look darker. Okay, in plain English. So it can help to clear it up and blend it into your natural skin color. But this soap is not like a super lightening soap, it's not like a super whitening soap. So if you are looking for all those super lightening and super whitening soap, then this is not the right video for you. I have other videos you can check out on my channel. So the fifth on my list is the Lux bar soap. Now Lux is a soap we all grew up with, right? It used to be very fine, and then sometime I don't know what happened, but right now I think they are rebranding, and they have this very new, very beautiful products. I'm going to put in the pictures here. They're actually very nice, especially the black orchid one, something like that. So it's actually very nice. So it's super moisturizing. One thing with Lux is so moisturizing. If you have dry skin, if you have dry cranky skin, you should use Lux. Lux is actually very moisturizing to the skin. It's not going to dry out your skin no matter how. If you like, use it and bathe morning, afternoon and night. Lux can never dry out your skin. They do their best to infuse oils into their soaps that will keep your skin smooth, keep your skin moisturized and looking radiant. All right, so the sixth on my list is the Dove Beauty Bar Soap. This is another one for sensitive skin, for dry skin, for cranky skin. Okay, so if you have dry skin, if you have irritated skin, sensitive skin, anytime you use a particular soap, it's either it's doing you this or it's doing you that. If it's not drying you out, it's giving you rashes, it's doing you this one, get Dove Bar Soap. Okay, Dove is very good. It comes in different colors, and they have the ones for, you know, specifically sensitive skin, but any one of them, any Dove you use is good, because Dove is a very moisturizing product. Okay, their soaps are super moisturizing, super hydrating, and they're going to help to smoothen out your skin and, you know, give you a very wonderful even skin tone. All right, so the next on my list is Irish Spring. Irish Spring is mostly sold as a men's soap, okay, but it's used by everybody. Growing up, we all use it. Me, my whole family members, boy, girl, everybody. It's a general soap, and I love Irish for the fragrance, and I love it for the way it makes your skin feel. Like, Irish is actually a very nice soap. All right, and they've tried to maintain their originality from time, because it didn't get really super popular here. Maybe in the US and all those places it's actually very super popular, but here in Africa, Nigeria, it's not super popular. So if you see it, you are definitely most probably getting the original Irish Spring. Okay, so Irish Spring is also a very nice one to give you a very smooth complexion. Like, I could remember all the times we used Irish, it was so nice to the skin, so gentle, so, you know, that cooling fragrance of it is so soothing to the skin. So, and it's something everybody in your family can use without having any skin reactions. Okay, so the next on my list is Idole Carrot. Now, this particular one also is for you that have a particular dark patches on your body, or particular dark patches on your body that you want to clear out. Your sun has darkened you, you've gone out under the sun, you went out into rough areas, dust and everything, and your natural color or your color has dimmed a bit, and you need to, you know, blend your skin complexion again. You need a soap that is going to help to wash out all those darkness and blend your skin color. Idole Carrot is your best bet. I love Idole Carrot because it is that soap that is balanced. Do you know what I mean by is balanced? It is not drying to the skin. In as much as it is going to brighten your skin, it is not dry, because most brightening soaps are drying to the skin. Idole is never dry to the skin. If any, all the Idole products I have used is not drying to the skin, and the one I'm actually recommending to you in this video is the Idole Carrot. All right, the Carrot one, it is mild and it is gentle, and it's not going to dry out your skin. So it's for every skin type: oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, any type of skin you have, you can actually use. I've used Idole over and over again. I've actually used the other ones, but for this sake of this particular video, the title, I am going to be recommending the Carrot in particular, because it is the one that is going to help to stabilize your skin complexion. It's not going to lighten you, it's not going to do anything, it's just going to brighten out your skin, smoothen out your skin, give you that radiant glow. Idole is actually very good. Now, the next on my list is actually one of my super favorites, which is the Jennifer Lopez Secret. It's usually written boldly Secret, but the full name is Jennifer Lopez Secret. Now, this soap is one, it has the fake one. Please, this is the fake one. Any soap, if you buy this soap and it looks like this, it is not the main one. The main one looks like this. It is a transparent soap. Okay, the color is not really the color is not really giving what the soap does to your skin, honestly. Like, it is, the color of the soap is a very good representation of the word, don't judge a book by its cover. The color is not so bright and attractive, but this particular soap is one soap I always used to go back to anytime I want to smoothen out my skin. Like, if you get Secrets, make sure you get the original one. If you get Secrets and you have rough skin, okay, you want to blend out your skin complexion, you want your skin to appear very smooth and clear, get Secrets. It works. This is a soap I used in the past over and over again, and I tell you, I will go back to it. It's so good. So if you have used it, let me know in the comment section. So Secrets is very good for man, for woman. It is not harsh. Okay, it lathers very well. Like, it lathers so well. All right, and it's still very, very, very affordable. Like, I just saw it day before yesterday when I went to get something in a store, and it was still selling for 1,700, and I was super surprised. And this is because it's not really talked about, it's not popular and all of that. So if you can lay your hands on it, get it. You are not going to regret the buy. So the ninth on my list is the Joy Black soap with shea butter and aloe vera. This one is very, very nice. Like, I recently used this black soap and I was super impressed. Like, it doesn't have that normal African black soap, you know, scent and all of that. They infuse fragrance into it, and it has the one that contains lemon. So if you're a lover of black soap like me, you should try this Joy Black soap out, and it just sells now for 700 naira. It's super good and affordable, and it can be used by everybody. And black soaps don't darken the skin. Please, if you are scared of that, I used to hear that people think black soap will darken your skin because it's black. It doesn't darken your skin. It helps to exfoliate your skin, moisturize your skin, repair your skin, because black soaps contain natural exfoliants, natural healing oils. Okay, so you should try this one out. Okay, next on my list is the Pears Pure and Gentle Transparent Soap. Now this one contains 98% pure glycerin and natural oils. They have tried to balance hydration and moisture in this particular soap. Okay, so Pears is also a good brand, and this particular soap is good. It's a transparent soap. They have different fancy colors that come in different fragrances and different oils infused into them. So it is also good for your skin, for dry skin, for combination skin. So I made sure to specify. So if you know your skin type, you pick according to your skin type. If you know your skin conditions, you pick according to your skin conditions. So yeah, that is a 10 on my list of super affordable moisturizing, skin brightening, you know, skin maintaining body soaps I have for you today. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section. Or if you even have any products like this that you have used that you love and everything, you can let us know what these things did to your skin, the products they are, so we can learn from you. People can read and also learn. We are here to interact. This is not just my channel, this is our channel. We're here to interact and talk to each other. So let me know the soaps you have used that you like, your all-time favorite soap that you use, you have liked, or the ones that I've mentioned that you use that you liked, and then let me know. Let us know. Okay, thank you for joining me on today's own. I hope you found this interesting and you also got something from this video. If you did, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not, share this video to anyone you know that might need it. You never know, just share. Thank you.